I'll go ahead and call the meeting to order. It's now 4:31 and it's Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. Jen, if I can have you call roll.
Magistrate Humphrey.
Present.
Magistrate Coldiron.
You're on mute.
Here.
Magistrate Riley.
Present.
Judge Chuck Dills.
Present. Move down to item 3, approval of the regular meeting minutes of July 5th, 2023.
Having read the minutes from July 5th, 2023, I'll make a motion to approve as written.
I second.
We have a motion made by Magistrate Humphrey, a second by Magistrate Coldiron. All in favor by show of hands. Appears all in favor, motion carries. Moving down to 4A, the fiscal matters, approval of the claims in the general fund, road fund, and jail fund, along with all transfers presented dated July 18th, 2023.
Having reviewed all claims from the general fund, road fund, jail fund, along with transfers presented, I make a motion we approve as presented.
I will second.
I have a motion made by Magistrate Coldiron, a second by Magistrate Riley. All in favor by show of hands. Appears all in favor, motion carries. Moving down to item B, you have there in front of you, and we need a motion to accept the Grant County Sheriff's 2022 tax settlement is prepared by Monty Leap.
I make a motion to approve the 2022 tax settlement as presented to us in regards to from the Sheriff's Department.
I'll second.
I have a motion made by Magistrate Riley, second by Magistrate Humphrey. All in favor by show of hands. Appears all in favor, motion carries. Moving down to item C, this will be the first reading of ordinance number 0008-2023-0265 for the reapportionment of the magistrate lines. Then moving down to item D, we'll have the first reading on ordinance number 0009-2023-0266 regarding the fire dues amendment. Moving down to item E. Need a motion to give myself, County Judge Executive, approval to sign a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Local Government, also known as DLG, for House Bill 1. It's a jail arraignment equipment grant project. If you all remember, we had done a resolution on this. It was for $36,595. There was a grant to purchase and replace all the new equipment that's used for court arraignments between the court and the detention center.
Make a motion for the memorandum agreement for County Judge Executive Chuck Dills to be able to sign such on behalf of DLG for House Bill 1.
A second.
Second.
Motion made by Magistrate Riley, second by Magistrate Coldiron. All in favor by show of hands. All in favor, motion carries. And also, just to add to that, they do it different ways, but this one here, they'll be forwarding the money to us actually in advance. So that was another reason doing the memorandum of understanding. Now the equipment is supposed to be getting delivered anytime. We received an invoice on it. And so when Peggy and myself had conversation with DLG, they agreed that a lot of the counties that were going to just front the money without us having to put it out first. So
Judge, will that
great.
be for equipment at the Grant County Jail, but then also at the Justice Center, right?
I believe this is just the jail. AOC is updated all, and they've actually been over to the Justice Center. I was over there today. They're updating all the equipment in the judicial centers. And another reason they went ahead and actually allowed this grant, because it was going to be such a burden on a lot of counties to be paying to put all this new equipment in their jails. So the Jailers Association was the one that lobbied to help get this grant for the county. So,
Got it. Okay, thanks for that clarity. I just wasn't sure if it was both
yeah, it's
entities.
just on our end.
Okay, mean,
Okay, then,
the money won't go so far with the way technology, with what it costs these days. So I was thinking it was just one, but
yeah.
Thank-
Okay, then moving down to item F. You have in your packet from the Grant County Conservation District, an annual report. It's for review only. If you don't mind, I'll go on and take a motion that we reviewed it.
so move.
I have a motion made by Magistrate
Second.
Riley, a second by Magistrate Humphrey. All in favor by show of hands? Appears all in favor, motion carries. We have no old business or new business to report on. As far as judge's report, just update, I actually went down and checked on the bridge at, there at Lincoln Ridge and Turner. It's coming along. They were getting the footers poured, and I know the rain's going to hold us up on a few things on it, but everything's looking good on it. Anything on magistrate reports? I'll
I
start
have
with
nothing.
Roger.
I have nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Shauna?
Have you heard anything on the vandalism at the park much? Are they pursuing that?
Yeah, they are. It's under investigation. They, my understanding, they may have interviewed a few people already.
Mhm. Okay. Because there was, there was an event down there Saturday and there was a lot of people talking about it and wondering how it was coming along.
Yeah, they are interviewing. I think there may have been some witnesses.
Okay.
Okay. With that being said, do we have anyone that's here on Zoom with us that has anything for the court on the citizens address? If not, I'll remind everyone, unless we have a call meeting before August 1st, our next meeting will be Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. Need a motion to adjourn.
So
make a
move. Oh, go ahead.
I make a motion to adjourn.
I have a motion made by Magistrate Kodar and a second by Magistrate Riley. All in favor by show of hands? Appears all in favor. We are now adjourned.
You notice it's always the women who always want to adjourn and jump in there real quick.
Hey, we got to go.
They're
Thank
always
you
on
all.
the move.
Hey, have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Have a great day, you all.
Good night.